KS Heating and Air, the team ensuring your comfort.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition. This is for Monday, the 25th of November. I'm James Spann. Alabama's weather with a dry air mass today, lots of sunshine, but some rain before Thanksgiving and some rain over the upcoming weekend. When does that start? What about the Iron Bowl? So many questions on this big week, so let's dive in and talk about things. There's the upper look this morning. Across the country, got a dry air mass down here, new trough beginning to form off to the west. Below freezing for many spots early this morning. Look at Fort Payne at 28. Birmingham at 36. Highs around 60 in most spots today. A little below average for this time of the year, but not by far. All right, travelers, got a big messy winter storm coming up this week from Denver to the Upper Peninsula of Michigan. That's the big headline. Also, winter storm warnings out west for the Sierra Nevada mountains of California, back up into parts of Oregon. In fact, let's go right to the snow output. Now, this is from the National Digital Forecast Database, the NDFD. So this is coming straight from the Weather Service offices, and this is valid through 62 hours. So this is valid through Wednesday evening. And you can see snow amounts of over 1 foot possible for parts of Colorado and Wyoming. And then some really impressive amounts all the way across the Great Plains up through parts of northern Michigan and the UP of Michigan, with amounts there between really 5 and 10 inches. So travelers, beware of this pre-Thanksgiving storm if you're going to that area. Now, in the warm sector, no thunderstorms today, but tomorrow we've got a marginal risk of severe storms. That would include places like, well, all of Louisiana, basically, up through parts of Arkansas and Missouri. And this is a low-end threat. There could be a few storms with gusty winds, kind of a low-end tornado threat. But the good news for us on day 3, which is Wednesday and Wednesday night, no severe storms expected. And again, there might be some thunder for the southern half of the state, but for North Alabama, the air just looks too stable for thunder. And then on day 5, which is Friday, Black Friday, we have a risk of severe storms for parts of Texas, Oklahoma, southern Kansas. That would include Dallas-Fort Worth, Oklahoma City, the I-35 corridor. So, again, if you're out in that zone for the Thanksgiving weekend, be aware of that. This is the precipitation for the next 7 days, and you can see a lot. And, again, a lot of that's going to be in the form of snow up north. For Alabama, this is suggesting rain amounts about 2 inches for the Tennessee Valley, 1 to 2 inches for the central counties of the state, and less than 1 inch down to the south. And this is valid through Monday morning of next week. So this includes our midweek storm this week and then the one that comes in late this weekend. In tropics, we finally got rid of Sebastian, nothing happening, and most likely the next time we have a tropical storm will be in the summer of 2020. So model fans, let's go. Here's the GFS, the 06E run, 3 o'clock this afternoon. There's your western trough. But for us, a beautiful day, sunny, the high around 60. Tomorrow, there's our storm, a surface low that's over Kansas, north and west of that, snow, south and east of that, showers and thunderstorms. But for us, we stay dry. Clouds will likely increase. The high will be in the 60s. And then Wednesday, that surface low is north of Detroit. And some lingering showers are down over South Alabama. So for us, it looks like the better chance of rain with this feature will be tomorrow night into Wednesday morning. And again, no severe weather, probably not much thunder. I'd say with this rain amounts, 1/2 inch or less with this initial storm. And again, if you're traveling, just take a look at that map and see what issues you might be facing on that big travel day. There could be some rain for the airports in New York City, down toward Philadelphia, Boston, not Boston, but Baltimore and Washington, D.C., and also snow out west. Very snowy pattern for them. Thanksgiving Day for Alabama should be dry and pleasant. Cool, highs 57 to 60, a little below average. Rain and snow west of the state. And again, the western third of the country looks awfully snowy. This is Black Friday. A new storm begins to form. A surface low is east of Denver. More really big snows for the mountains out west. Skiers will love that. And south and east of that, there will be some surface-based instability. And again, this could generate some severe storms on Friday. Oklahoma City, Wichita, Dallas, Fort Worth, so be aware of that. But for Alabama, the weather still looks dry and pleasant with highs in the 60s. Iron Bowl Saturday. Man, this is a close call. Got a storm system on the way. Surface low that's over the high plains with more snow up there. And a secondary surface low forms over North Mississippi. And the Iron Bowl is a 2:30 kickoff in Auburn. And the fact that it's on the eastern side of the state just might keep that game dry. But again, this is the GFS. Let's go to the European. It's a little slower with the same idea. But it sure looks like there's a chance. We can't guarantee this, obviously, this far in advance. But there's a fairly decent chance the rain could come in after the game is over. So for the moment, Saturday looks like a mild day. We'll be in the low 70s, very comfortable. Increasingly cloudy, with rain moving in here Saturday night, along with some thunder. In fact, this is Saturday night at midnight. There's your rain and storms. And we'll check the instability. There's just not much. This is a fairly robust system here, and I understand this could change, but at the moment it looks like the air might be too stable for any severe weather worries, but we'll keep an eye on things. And then for Sunday, the rain is gone. We're colder. We could see temperatures really holding in the 40s much of the day if this is right. And a week from today, trough off the East Coast, and we are dry and very cool. Highs would probably be in the upper 40s or low 50s. Let's go out 10 days. This is Wednesday of next week, the 4th of December. Very deep trough just east of here with rain and snow. Look at the snow maybe into Tennessee and the Great Smokies if this verifies, and we all know that that will probably change. Rain off the European ensemble for Birmingham. The mean is about 2 inches for the next 15 days. And you can see the warmth over the weekend with potential for 70 on Saturday, maybe low 70s in spots, but much colder early next week with highs by then dropping back into the upper 40s. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. You can catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
Never wait for hot water again with a tankless water heater from Plumbing Experts. Tankless water heaters are easy, convenient, and now more affordable with a no-interest financing for up to 18 months. Stop with the cold showers and wasted water and call Plumbing Experts today.